I am 30 and I'm wearing a tutu of candy. Did I mention that I'm 30? I went to Supercuts and asked them to fuck my head up, and look at what this bitch did to me.
Ha ha ha, girl, you dumb.
I used to make music and dress like a punk. Now looks like a blind stylist dressed me.
Yes, queen, you look
This
great.
video is fucking racist, but it's okay because we're paying these Asian chicks to dance behind me.
We want to kill ourselves.
This is probably the worst thing I have ever done in my life, and I married that Nickelback guy.
Ew, gross.
Did I mention that I'm 30? Yes, I'm fucking 30, and I'm wearing accessories I got from Claire's. I'm never smiling cause on the inside I'm dying. Please take me out of my misery.
No, you have 10 more years.
Now it's time for dubstep music, made by a 50-year-old white guy.
Hey, isn't this what the kids like?
They also like when I butcher Japanese. Ching chong wong, ching chong dong ding dong. That means go buy my new song. Ding ding wang wang ding 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 chi. That means holy shit, I'm 30. Holy shit, I'm 30. And I am not married, old enough to have babies. Oh my god, I'm fucking 30. Oh my god, I'm 30. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Midlife breakdown. Look at me, I'm eating sushi. I like to make my eyes all Japanesey.
Ching out, chow, chi, donchi, donchi.
Sure, you can have my new CD. Hey there, Miley, Miley, are you jelly, jelly of my stupid fucking video? I made a checklist of all the stupid stuff you did in yours, and I think we're tied.
The world only needs one stupid, crazy, talentless whore. And that's me! Yay! Whoa! Either I am really fucking high right now, or there's a set of Asian quadruplets standing in front of me. Both! Oh yeah!